Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing about the service called App Delivery and Security in Citrix Cloud. So what exactly is App Delivery and Security in Citrix Cloud? App Delivery and Security service, it delivers and secures your applications and APIs across multiple cloud with a self-healing service. Okay, if you want to manage this service, you can click on manage, and once you are subscribed to this service, you can access this particular service to deliver your applications. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some deep dive using the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so if you want to secure, simplify and automate application delivery in a multiple cloud environment, Citrix Application Delivery and Security Service is the service that will fulfill your requirement. With the Citrix App Delivery and Security Service, you can ensure automated, error-free, and quick maintenance of business applications when faced with outages, performance degradation, and fluctuating demands. Let's say you have data center in Amsterdam. Okay, let's say you have data center in Amsterdam and users are connecting to Amsterdam data center, and all of a sudden there is some kind of outage. Let's say there is some cyclone or earthquake or whatever it is, or there is some kind of performance issue. In that case, what Citrix App Delivery and Security does is it is going to deploy the applications in the nearest location. Maybe if you have a data center in Rotterdam, it is going to deploy those applications in that location so that users can connect to those applications without any issues. The Citrix App Delivery and Security Service ensures that application and API security is easy to deploy and manage. So basically, this Citrix App Delivery and Security Service is user friendly and we can deploy it and manage it without any issues. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Citrix App Delivery and Security Service auto-sizes the required infrastructure and adjusts it on demand. For example, the service auto-adjusts if there is a change in number of origin application service due to scaling events and changes stickiness settings accordingly. After delivering the applications, you can also monitor it. So basically, let's say you have 100 servers in a data center and all of a sudden you have a lot of users connecting. Usually you have like 1,000 users who connect to those servers, and all of a sudden you have like 3,000 or 4,000 users trying to connect to those applications. So what Citrix App Delivery and Security Service does is it is going to automatically deploy that application in a different data center so that users can connect to those applications without any issue. So it is going to, based upon the demand, it is going to increase the number of instances. Okay, so after delivering the applications, you can use the analytics in Citrix App Delivery and Security Service to monitor application performance, troubleshoot using the detected anomalies, visualize the threat details associated with security, and take corrective actions to secure the application. So after delivering the applications, you have analytics service. You have analytics in Citrix App Delivery and Security Service, which can be used to, you can monitor application performance, you can troubleshoot various issues, and you can also visualize if you find any cybersecurity threats or something, you can take appropriate action and to secure your business applications. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Okay, so in order to use this particular service, you need to first put out the intent. An intent could be something like you want to deploy an application where users can connect without any issues. It should have only let's say 150 milliseconds latency. That is your intent. So once you put out that intent, what it does is Citrix Application Delivery and Security Service, it is going to deploy that application in various locations, and it will closely look for a place. It will closely look for the location which is giving 150 milliseconds latency. So let's say you have two data centers. You have one data center in Amsterdam and the other data center in Rotterdam. If when users are connecting to the data center which is in Amsterdam location, and if they're getting 300 milliseconds latency, in that case, what it does is it is going to deploy the application in Rotterdam location, and it is going to look for the latency there. And if the latency in Rotterdam location is 150 milliseconds, in that case, what it does is it is going to deploy the applications. So basically, once you put out the intent, it is going to automatically look for the location. It will automatically look for the right location, which is going to help your users to connect without much latency. Okay, once you put out the intent, it is going to do it automatically, and the policies will get created, and you can use the Citrix Analytics service once the applications are deployed to monitor your applications. all right, to monitor and troubleshoot your application. So this is the uh, beauty of Citrix app delivery and security service. So if you get an opportunity to work on this service, you can follow these steps. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.